I'm sure we'll have fun putting that together.
I think we might need instructions for this one.
I think we're going to want a Michael Jackson glove up for this one.
That is heavy.
Go get us a RSJ.
Why is it not going up? That'll ding dang do.
Good morning guys, welcome back. Me and Luke here today. There's 3 wall lights we're going to swap over. We're just going to put the bezels onto the down lights, and it looks like they need changing because at the moment they're a mixture of warm white and cool white, so we'll get that swapped over to what they'd prefer. There's a big interesting sort of feature light going in the centre of the room. It's about 15 kilograms, so we're going to make sure that we get it screwed up to some joists. I'm sure we'll have fun putting that together, and we've got some LED tape just to put in the wardrobes. So yeah, join us and we'll try to show you some tips.
I think we might need instructions for this one.
I think so.
What are they?
All these little holes are going to
What are these in?
Oh mate, that, look at the size of it. John might have to go get us a RSJ.
Is that a bit heavy?
Yeah, look at that. And all them other bits.
Inside these are all crystals. Inside every single one of those.
They say this is class 2.
I know. There's no to put the air.
What, that's got a tiny bit of lac around it. Undo that little nut and put a...
We can have it to this bracket, can't we, in the inside of here?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Take one of these commons into the other common.
Oh right, so neutral. Yeah.
Yeah, so you one and just take one of these commons into the bottom common and the other.
Yeah, and then that will be
one.
Just obviously turn it off at the board.
Yeah.
Oh, so we can Wago in the back of this, and then just bring our cables straight through. That'll be easy.
Just put laser diagonal to that one and diagonal to that one. I'll just mark.
Yeah. And then where the cross is, we'll drill that up.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be on the laser lines as long as the centre's on the centre where their cross is.
Yeah.
Sort of circle, ain't it? Wall lights are up. Didn't go too bad. Luke's put the bezels on and changed the colours of the lights all to the same. And I'm just unpackaging all the chandelier, and we're going to see in the loft if there's any joists we can screw the main bracket to, seeing as it's heavy. If not, we might have to put some noggins up there, just get a nice secure fixing for it. So yeah, I'll let Luke jump up in the loft and he can shout down, see what he finds.
Right, that's a spotlight. Can't be that far, can it? Lee? Right, found ya. Is that it there?
Yeah.
Perfect. That'll ding dang do. Yeah, so that's literally right above us.
So what? So you got joist that way, and
joist there, and this bit here. Joist there, and that's a bit
So if we can get them 3 on, and then we might have to stick a bit of wood for that one.
Yeah.
I just want to do a rough couple of holes just to see if there's any wood near. Oh, I just screwed my hand to the wall. So that one isn't. That one's not. What way is this going? That one felt like it is. I mean, that one felt quite solid. Might have to just brace that corner. Right, so that's gonna screw to that with the connections in the back. I guess this goes through one of the ones with the arrows, or no, without. That one, that one. Right, that'll sit like that. So there's got to be the centre. Okay, so what I've done is remove the ceiling rows, stuck some nice 5-way Wagos on here, and we've chucked another feed up in the loft off of here, ready for the wardrobe lights. We've got some nice secure fixings onto a few joists and some wood. So we're just going to work out getting the base up, and then I guess we'll want to turn it on and check it's all working before we hang 10 million crystals off it. So yeah, we'll get the base up and then we'll just double check it's working. Oh look, that's for the cable. How can there not be instructions?
Picture of it online.
Yeah, at least if there was a picture we could probably like suss it.
Make them loose, get them lined up, and then take them down and just tighten it all again.
Yeah.
Right, these are nowhere near. This is as far out as this one can go here.
Oh, nice. Max, help us.
Try and screw that.
Make sure it's all working.
Eee. Oh, this didn't ball, nice. Yeah, they'll work. With no instructions.
No instructions.
Even IKEA instructions would be more helpful right now.
And everything's like...
Put it in, but I can't screw it up. How are you going to screw it up?
No. Oh, just at an angle. Yeah, I think we're going to want a Michael Jackson glove up for this one. Easy bit. All you got to do is hang some crystals, mate. Right, so what I'm doing is I'm wiring up, these are the switches for the cupboard lights. So basically your door keeps that closed. When you open the door, lets it out, makes contact, turns the light on. I'm wiring them up down on the floor as it's easier than screwing it into the cupboard and then trying to fiddle around. So take it off. Literally just come in with your common, come in with your switch line, and then it's always open, and then as you open the door, closes the contact and that will turn your light on. But like I say, it's going to be a lot more fiddly trying to do that upside down in the cupboard. So wire them up now, can poke it through into the ceiling and just mount this where I need it.
That is heavy for... Oh, can you just hold it upside? I'll just get this hand on the outside. No, like there, this side.
What?
Just hold this side, that's it. There, hold it, hold it!
I got it!
Right, that's it. Now you need to put the 4 screws in as I hold it.
You got it?
Yep.
Where's the screws here?
Yep. Oh man. Why is it not going up? Oh, there's bulbs, some on the inside, we're going to have to flatten all the bulbs out again. Just flatten, line flat.
That won't. Not with the lamps in.
Yeah, still go up.
Yeah, come back down because of that.
No. Guys, don't weigh much at all. Just take time.
It's not going.
Threading it.
Mate, it's gone in wrong.
You're threading it.
That won't even come undone now.
Oh. No, come on, just get one in. There. Well, why'd you choose the one with hands?
You said get one in.
Yeah, but there's 3 other ones.
Alright, your hand's there as well.
Let me try them.
What one do you want me to do?
Any, just screw one in my hand.
Mate, my hand don't fit. All I can hear is the camera taking loads of shots.
Perfect. Oh.
Let's take a little fun now.
Right, I would just like to say, if your friends ask you to come and fit a light fit in for them, and it looks similar to this, say no at all costs, unless you want to be there for half a day.
Is it easy to find the joists up there? You can pull that drill bit out. Right, so we've got the LED tape screwed up in the cupboards. We've also mounted the 2 switches by the doors. All the cables are up in the loft, and Luke's hung all the crystals from the chandelier. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump up in the loft, second fix all the drivers and the connections to the feed, and then we'll be able to turn it on and have a look at it all. Alright guys, so as you can see, the wall lights are up. We got Luke over here doing a little Instagram video, and then got the chandelier that had no instructions, which yeah, we ended up taking a while, but looks alright in the end, so that's not too bad. And over here we've got some lighting in there, so yeah, good little day up in the finishing this extension off, and yeah, we'll roll on to the next one.